Beautiful day, Bravehearts. It's Dr. Sage Wolfe out here in Coffs, Harbour, Australia. I just wanted to hop on to show you guys a little bit of what Wolfe Non-Surgical is. Today we are on actually our final day here, and we are finishing off the face restoration before we head into review day, just to kind of go over the things that we've learned. We literally go from head to toe, and we learn how to take each individual body part apart in a loving way, because we have dehydration, we have adipose tissue, we got scar tissue, we got crystallization. Sometimes you might even have an implant because you've had damage to an area, we've allowed it to putrefy. They say it's bone on bone, and you're not able to fix that, so you got to go get that joint replaced. That is technically false, but you know what? If you've already had a joint replaced, or you've had mesh put in, or you've had some form of surgery, that's not the end of the world. We just know that it is a scar tissue issue now, because a foreign object wants to get rejected by the body, and if it can't get rejected, think about like a sliver in your finger. When you got that sliver, it's like kind of irritating, right? So let's just put a big false object in there, and sometimes that object contains cobalt, and that cobalt can lead to tissue disintegration and bone disintegration in the surrounding areas and tissues. So be mindful about what you're doing with your body, or what they're telling you that you need to do with your body. So right now they're doing the non-surgical facelift. I just kind of want to hop in the room and show you guys what they're up to. But that is them. We are learning how to reconstruct the bones, because if I contract for so long, and I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to try to figure everything out. If I do that for so long, eventually I'm going to embed these creases into my face. Hold your fist like this. Try to do it for 10 minutes. Hold it really, really tight. And then try to move it around like, oh, it's elastic. Not gonna happen too well, because that contraction over time will start to solidify. That solidification, that lack of circulation, is going to contract the muscles, ligaments, and tendons in the area, causing grizzle to build up. What is that grizzle? That is lactic and uric acid binding from the histamine, adrenaline, and cortisol that we are releasing from our body to create a crystalline buildup. And you can tear those crystals multiple times over and over to create a scar tissue mass. And you leave that for so long, eventually it will turn to calcification. And then you're going to kind of get that bone on bone, as the doctors are saying, which it's not truly true, because there is some cartilage there. There is actual synovial fluid in the area. There is some flow, but I can't see it because my body had to overlay an excess amount of calcium to the area. So now when I look at the x-ray, that's all I see. But I'm going to show you guys what the students are up to today, and they are just doing the non-surgical facelift. Oh, there's not a light door. So right now we have some students on the ground, some on the tables, and we are working with the elbow, and it is loving but still intense. We are restructuring, recarving out those bones to kind of bring in that healthy lymph, that healthy blood flow, removing that adipose tissue that's causing that contraction, so you can have the flow that you desire. So if this is something that interests you, come check us out at braveheartnation.com. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day, and I'll catch you in the next one.